Breaking news on Martyn Lucas Investors channel. We're looking at Archer Aviation. We're going to go straight into the chart. We have Vaz on the show. He does all our EV toll hub.
All has become a member.
Thank you for becoming a member. Vaz is doing a lot of content on EV tolls, and Archer is one of them. He's going to be covering a lot of content on Archer, so do subscribe to the channel if you're an Archer fan. We're getting you prepared for that content, the earnings calls, the earnings reviews, all that sort of stuff for all EV toll content. So subscribe to the channel, keep a lookout for our other content creator on the channel. Vaz, you might have already come across him. I'm doing a little bit of a chart analysis. That's what I like to do. That's what I've trained to do. And I'm going to bring it forward to you so you can get prepared for what's ahead. Again, nothing I say during this video is financial advice. It's just my thoughts and opinions. Please do not buy or sell based on anything I say. So Archer is an interesting one. Let's firstly just have a little bit of a zoom out and see where Archer's been previously, because it does help give us an indication of where it can go in the future. So here we go. The all-time high was $18, IPO'd for a normal $10, had that initial pump to the upside, then went into a bear market, tried to find its floor. It found a base at $1.66 with a double bottom. Then it went up back to its levels of resistance, which we were covering live on the show, double top, and it continued going down, found its next higher low. So you can see that there's more people holding it, more institutions holding it. I'll link you to Vaz's video at the end of this. He'll give you more insight of the fundamentals of the stock. But you can see more people are liking the stock, then they're not willing to sell, and they're accumulating. So how is that shown on a chart? It's shown by higher low structure. So the low was higher than the previous one. Then what do you get? You get a higher high. So more people are buying it. They don't want to sell it for lower prices, and then you got that higher high. You then have that reset, higher low, back above your levels of support, and where you sat right now, you're sat at $9.29. You have broken out of this wedge that we're tracking, that downward sloping sort of wedge. Coming in from a bullish move to the upside, so you are expected to move up. $10 would be the level of resistance. That also coincides with the IPO price. So $10 is very much key. $9.89, somewhere around there, is very strong resistance. So keep an eye out for there. Would I be buying right now? No. I would potentially wait to see if we've got a confirmation breakout at $10. And then I'd rather buy back at $10 if we've got that confirmation. Or what's more likely in the scenario right now is potentially coming back down to $7.78. That is the level of support. I'll be more comfortable buying at those levels. But long term, this chart's not looking too bad. You've got this downwards wedge. You've broken out to the upside, $10 being next, and then I can very easily see us going back that up to $12 and heading back towards those all-time highs. I'd recommend you have a look at the fundamentals. That will be linked at the end of this video. But Archer Aviation is looking good for now. There will be a video up here linking you to Vaz, and another video up here linking to Vaz. I highly recommend looking at the fundamentals of this stock and looking deeper into the eVTOL space. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.